What's up, guys? Check this out. So today, we're about to check Coinstar in the vending machines at Walmart of Decatur and Charleston. We haven't been to this one in a while, so hope you enjoy the video. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. Alright, here we go. Oh, look. Oh, that was a coin. Let's check here. Wow. They flew out a lot of stickers in there. Check it out. Anyways, let's check this one. Gotta be careful. Look, there's more stickers. Here we go. Here's the Coinstar there. I don't see any change. What is that? What is that? I don't know. Let's check the machine. I haven't been here in a while. And it's out of order. Look. Look, found a penny. That's cool. Alright, and a piece of something. Alright, guys, let's go over to the vending machines. Oh, look. Oh, look. Another penny right there. Nothing there. Wow, look. Wow. Alright. I think that would do it. We got 2 pennies and a piece of jewelry. What is that? Oh. I don't know what that is. Let me know in the comments. We got pennies here. This one's a 2019 Emperor. And this one was a 2006 Emperor. Sweet, we got 2 cents and a piece of something. Probably a piece of jewelry. Well, hope you guys enjoyed.